What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. Today we are showing off 4 Anthem themed PCs that we will be giving away to you. So NVIDIA partnered with 4 of the top system builders to craft a squad of gaming PCs based on the different Javelins in the game. Just as each class is unique, so are each of these PCs. Let's take a closer look at each of them. First up, we have CyberPower and their Javelin, the Ranger. CyberPower PC chose to represent this all-around Javelin class with a unique chassis called the Cybercube, which is covered with tempered glass panels on 3 sides, sporting custom vinyl decals of the Ranger and the team. Versatile and ready for any situation, this is a great all-around case just like the Ranger. Inside this crazy looking cube is an MSI Z390 Tomahawk, an i7-9700K, 16 gigs of RAM, a 500 gig M.2 with a 2 terabyte platter, topped off with a GeForce RTX 2070. Next we have NZXT with their Colossus build. Taking cues from its powerful tank-like Javelin, they started with their H700, a premium mid-tower chassis that has some game art on the outside, a theme that they continue onto the inside with some vibrant orange paint. The system inside is also a Colossus in its own right, with an MSI Z390 Gaming Pro Carbon motherboard, an i9-9900K, 32 gigs of T-Force RAM, a GeForce RTX 2080, and there's some pretty neat cable combs in there that light up. Moving on to DigitalStorm's build for the Storm Javelin. Much like the class in Anthem that uses its skills to blow their enemies away, DigitalStorm's massive PC build will do just that. Built in their top-of-the-line Anthem chassis, it has an incredibly impressive blue paint job and a wrap featuring the Javelin on the front and a full squad picture on the back panel. They spared no expenses with an amazing system featuring an Asus ROG Strix X299, an i9-9940X, 32 gigs of RAM, and a GeForce RTX 2080. Finishing it up, we have Main Gear and the Interceptor class. The Interceptor is known to be the most agile of all the Javelins, dashing in and out quickly to deal tremendous amounts of damage. The Main Gear system also operates with just as much finesse. Each Main Gear F131 fits some impressive, powerful hardware in an equally nimble chassis. As with the other systems, the front panel showcases its Javelin, while on the back panel we have a larger image of the team as a whole. Now for the specs. The system is rocking an MSI Z390 motherboard and an i5-9600K, 16 gigs of HyperX Fury RAM, 512 gigs of storage, and a GeForce RTX 2060. And of course, it comes with their own custom Apex cooling solution. For a chance to take one of these home, check out the link in the description below. If you want to see more builds like these, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next one.